Hi everyone, as you can see I've been trying to make a solenoid engine. This is a very old solenoid that I used before, and I went to my brother's workplace and I made that, and I had him to, if you can see this, I had him to weld this or braze it on inside there, so it's pretty inside now. Can't take that out. I made this thing here. I'm hoping to make it into it's like a switch to switch. Well, put it this way. I have a switch here somewhere, so it turns it on and off. Switch the power supply on and off there. Hopefully, I've mounted on the wood. I had to raise it a bit because this wheel was touching the ground, and anyway I raised it in case I want to put my bigger wheel in, because I've got a bigger wheel, so if I want to put the bigger wheel in there, I just bolted it down there. This solenoid is bolted from there quite nice firmly. I've drilled a lot of holes there to make sure I have enough space to put some other things in there, but because I've put the wood on now, so I could actually attach things to this wood as well. I'm using this wheel because it's got a little like a place where I can put something on the wheel to run something else, so that's why I'm using this wheel. And that's as far as we got to. But I wanted to make a solenoid with that switches on and off with some contacts. So if I had some contacts here, I will switch it on and off, which is what I like to make. Very heavy solenoid indeed. Hi guys, I was going to use this, but I found this one, which a friend of mine gave, and I've had this for some time now. So these are looking better as contact goes. They're longer as well, so I might just cut this open and try and utilize this for my contacts. There you go. So what I've done, guys, I've ripped it all apart, the whole everything here, and I took out these two contacts and I've stuck them together. They've still got wires on them anyway, so I gotta find a way of sticking them down. I'm gonna put it to this side of the coil there, just to test this out. It's working fine. I had to change the big one, from the small one to the large one here, because there's not enough momentum or heaviness with that one. So this one works a bit better then. So this is just a test to make sure that everything will run when it's fixed. As you can see, it works nicely, but this is the I'm just touching that to this thing that I made. Let's just get close up here if I can. So there it is, look. So that's how it is. So okay, I'm still going to put the switch on because I always wanted to make something with like a contact where it disconnects like this and works that way. Well, this is the finished product that I've made, and I just want to show you this here. This is what I've done. I've put it onto like a Volcano strip, put araldite on it, and just about not touching, if you want to call it, just about there. So when this does that, it touches it. I've tidied it up a little bit here, but what I've done is I've put two nails here to put external supply voltage. This coil is about 6 to 9 volt coil. I'm going to put 6 volt on, then 9 volt on. It is a very heavy coil. I'm thinking of putting something else here, but I'm not sure yet. But let's have a look at it right now. Okay. So this is the finished product here, guys. As you can see, I put this strip there, like that. It's sitting on like a Volcano thing there. I've glued it together here. See how that works now. So you can see so I've connected it to my external power supply, which is going to be 6, 9 and 12 volts. So this is like 6 volts here.